Hey, what's up, Crypto DJs? This is Crypto with Aaron, and guess what? Floki just rose more than 30% in the past 24 hours, and it is up more than 70% from our recent call.
Oh my god! Wow!
But first thing first, make sure you are liking this video and subscribing to the channel to stay updated in the crypto world. And of course, in today's episode, we are going to do all the technical analysis of Floki and what is the news that is impacting the price of Floki Inu right now. And in general, if we are going to talk about Floki, I believe the whole meme coins pair, the top meme coins, be it Bonk, be it Pepe, be it SPX 6900, all these coins are right now exploding and giving some good pumps. Okay, and like last 24 hours, it's more than 33%, last 7 days, 42%, last 3 months, more than 146%. I recently told you to buy Floki Inu when the Valhalla game was launched. That was around late June, and I recently made a video on like that why you should buy Floki Inu, and the Valhalla game, which is the flagship game of Floki Inu, was live and players were actually hopping in to earn Floki Inu as rewards. That is a good thing. Like even if you do want to watch that particular video on that particular game, you can just watch that game, watch that video, and we are going towards the Floki USDT. Let's have only one chart, right? And let's make it full screen as well. Perfect. And now if we are talking about Floki Inu, why I put a graph of 1 day, that is because Floki Inu broke a resistance level this side, and now you can see only this particular candle broke the whole resistance level, and now Floki Inu is on top right now. And the whole sentiment regarding Floki Inu is also changing, because if Floki Inu is able to convert this particular support resistance level into a support level, then we can see another huge pump of Floki Inu, and I am expecting somewhere a pump of 54% from that support level. Like, because since we are seeing a major breakout, what I am expecting and what can the price be, like Floki Inu maybe make candles somewhat in this direction, comebacks on this resistance line, convert into a support, and then moves upward. Now once the Floki Inu is entering here, I'll be I'll be opening one more long position once it has converted this resistance level into a support level. If it breakouts this resistance level, I won't be entering long, and at this particular position, because we entered Floki somewhere around here, and right now I am booking my profits for like 70% of my position, and I am looking forward that Floki Inu should take a slight correction here, and if it takes a correction, I'll buy right now and move ahead with another long position. And to move forward, I am also trailing my stop losses at the same time. So this is the major technical analysis for the Floki Inu. Even if we are on the 5-minute chart, you can see Floki Inu made the high, got rejected, then went back, took a support at the 200 EMA close, then again move ahead. So that is happening right now with Floki Inu. And of course, for the long run, I am holding Floki Inu, not because of it being a meme coin, but because of the technical aspects also. Because if Floki Inu reclaims the all-time high, then we are seeking somewhere around more than 200%. But I'll be rotating that money, because if I got the another 50% on top of Floki Inu, I'll be rotating the same funds on other cryptos as well. And make sure you are watching those videos, because I am sharing some alphas also, where you can easily make 30, 40, 50% easily with swing trades, like maybe within a week or maybe within 10 days. So that might be beneficial for you. And of course, you are watching this video. Full disclaimer, this video is not intended to be a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing, and ensure that you are subscribing to the channel. We'll meet again with some new alpha videos. All right, take care. Bye bye.